Hello and welcome to littleGasthaus, next chapter living. Running out of time right now. It's only four more weeks before we start our trip to Spain. But first I have to drive my wife up north to an island in the North Sea. It's on the west side of Denmark, and she gets some follow-up treatment and rehabilitation because of her cancer. She got three weeks up there, so this will be a 6-hour drive up there. There are not too many autobahns, so you have to take the regular roads, and that takes some time. And it takes place next Tuesday. It might give me some time, some driving experience for the big trip. And to Spain, that will be a 5-day drive with about 6 hours driving every day. I had planned for this week putting together the barbecue box, but I guess you have to deal with watching me getting the mobile ready for the travel. Sorry for that. I just got the mobile marked and inspected, so it will be good for another year. So just make sure everything is safe. I have to buy a set of 6 winter tires for the mobile, and because we passed the mountain in France and Spain and Alps, and we need a winter tire for that, and it's the law in Spain and France. Of course in Germany too, a certain time of the year you have to have a winter tire. Didn't have that last year. And when we drove last year and climbed the mountains, we already had some snow on top, and that's no fun with the summer tire. And especially if you have 27-foot long, 25-year-old motorhome with front-wheel drive. I mean, even 3-axle don't help if there is icy roads. And we unloaded the motorhome last summer, so we don't have any damage from humidity. We run an air dryer inside all summer when we didn't use it. I had some leaking on the bottom. I fixed in the summer. That was especially behind the wheels, where the water created some damage over the past 25 years. So I have to put back everything inside, and I'm alone. The wheels, the mud flaps, somebody replaced years ago, were not mounted correctly. The rubber was cut in an angle on the top, so there were little triangle holes on both sides of the rubber, and that created water trouble. Because there was water blowing through the holes, and I have a wooden flooring, and wood and water doesn't go too well together. So I had to fix that problem, sealing it permanently, but I think that worked. But it was sure no fun spending hours on your back underneath the camper with 70. It's much nicer inside. So, okay, that was this. That was it so far. So that was it so far, and again, I'm sorry there is no barbecue box right now. That will be starting at when I'm in Spain, and that probably will be another five to 6 weeks before we get that. I will put everything, all the parts, I will have ready by that time, and take everything with me down to Spain. Okay, I will keep you informed. There will be at least one video each week, so you know what's going on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like what you see. And if you want to follow me, you might subscribe. Hit the bell so you don't miss a video, and I will be informed, and let's see whatever I can from my trip. Okay, thanks for watching again, and see you next time. Bye bye.